What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks, and in this video we shall be taking a good look at IonQ. I think it's IonQ. I'll probably call it IonQ. It's quantum computing stock. So given the situation of things right here, you could see that this major stock has definitely been rallying. Today it rallied 9%. One of the coins that have rallied massively. But given the situation of things right here, you could also say that it has majorly been in a downtrend, most especially. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of right here. And I also need to probably change this color to yellow. So now we can have a contrast between colors. So given the situation of things right here, you could see that over the year, we have tried as much as we can. Over the years, we tried as much as we can to break above this resistance right here at $46.31. So you could see we retested this so many times. You could see we retested it around here. We retested it here again. Then we broke out, rallied all the way to where I think roughly $83. We got rejected from there, and you could see we've dumped all the way to this level, consolidated within this range, broke below it. You could see even after we dumped even much lower, we tried as much as we can to break above this resistance at $46.61. We got rejected a little bit, broke out, dumped. So, what I would majorly say is the fact that we haven't been able to break above $46.55. A break above that level with a support, then before the major rally comes. So I think this is definitely one of the issues right now that we have right now with when it comes to this particular stock, which is IonQ. I don't know how to pronounce it, but IonQ. So I think there is a possibility right here, especially given the fact that you could see that from the major support or from the weekly, you could see we've retested this major resistance several times. Also, you could see we've retested this level so many times. We've retested it around here. So right now, with either we retest this major support, or we end up not retesting it, which will definitely leave a lot of people hanging. So given the situation of things right now, it is obvious that there are two major scenarios right now that we need to consider playing out. And one of those major scenarios from the weekly is the fact that we could be rallying much higher to retest the 100 EMA around this level at $38, getting rejected, dumping all the way down here at $31.30. Hopefully the 200 EMA, weekly EMA would, meet us around this level at $31 before we probably rally all the way above $46.22. Now, if this is not going to be playing out, then I think we should expect worst case scenario. And that worst case scenario is having to see this particular stock breaking below major support at $31, getting rejected from that major trend line and resistance, which is we currently be acting as our future support, whereby we'll get rejected from there and we could end up dumping all the way down here at $21. So I think these are the major levels right here which we need to talk about. And in terms of news right here, we could see it clearly that in terms of news, nothing really much is going on other than the fact that we could see it clearly that inside China's blockbuster $484 billion memory chip debut, which this has to also do with the quantum stuff too. But I don't want to waste too much of our time. We could see the quantum tipping point. Why IonQ, the Wave and Rigetti stocks are buys. Given the situation, so we could see quantum computing is set to redefine how we process information, and why the industry doesn't bring in much money today. Wall Street predicts it will reach a commercial tipping point fairly soon, which I think is something of the future, because even a lot of tech products are trying, tech companies are trying as much as they can to quantum proof their product or quantum proof their services, I guess, or their tech tools. So I think this is definitely what we need to take note of right here. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.